Hello, welcome. I've spent some time thinking about this video and trying to narrow down my all-time favorite beauty products. I got it down to 5, and all 5 of these products I would strongly recommend to every single one of you, and I'm very excited to show you what they are. All of these products, not to be dramatic, have improved my quality of life. Oh, I forgot one. Hold on. These are not in order of like favorite to least favorite or anything. They're in the order of like which one I use first, like when I'm getting ready. So, the first one, which I'm super excited about, is this cute little purple thing. So this is the Qyk Sonic ZOE. And basically what this is, it's like a vibrating cleanser, massager, product applier device. Basically how this works is you turn it on and it vibrates. There's 15 different settings. The front side you use for cleansing. So you put on your cleanser and then you flip it over, and the back side you use to massage in. I use it for my moisturizer and my serum. I'm so excited that I tried this because basically, like, your hands cannot clean your face as well as this can clean your face. Like, it's just not possible. Something that happens to me all the time, and I'm sure it happens to other people, you know when your chin, like, the pores get clogged, and on my nose, they get clogged, and I don't know, is it whiteheads? Basically just like shits in my chin. And this is really bad for you, don't do this, but I can't help it. I will like use my nails and scrape it away because it feels like dirty and bumpy, and it bothers me, like I can't help it. This penetrates your pores and gets all the gunk out, like it seriously does. Like my face is squeaky. Another awesome thing about this is it's silicone. This doesn't like hang on to any bacteria. I love this. You just charge it up, and then when you're done using it, you just wash it off with like antibacterial soap or something and then dry it off. I'm so glad that this is in my life. I really am. The next thing, DevaCurl products. Basically all of them. Obviously I haven't tried all of them because it's like kind of expensive. But ever since I started using DevaCurl products, like I could never switch back to using anything else, which kind of sucks because it's expensive. My hair is really dry and unhealthy just because I do dye my hair and I do get perms. Basically these products have done like so many good things for my hair, and I'm so grateful for them. First, I use their shampoo and conditioner. This one, I use the shampoo that I use is the Low Poo Delight, and basically they have like a ton of different lines so that you can pick a routine that's like specific to your hair type. So my hair, I would consider wavy. So the Low Poo is great for wavy hair. It's not completely suds free. It is not harsh like other shampoos because I want to keep some oil in my hair, the healthy oils. So I really like this. I wash my hair, I would say twice a week, maybe less. So I wash my hair with that. And then this is a conditioner that I use. It's the One Condition Delights, which is also for waves. This is so amazing. I use this after I shampoo, but I also use it on the days where I get my hair wet in the shower but don't shampoo it. And I don't do that every day. I think I probably do that like every other day, where I like just condition, kind of a co-wash. I just realized that every single product in my hair care routine is DevaCurl. That's all I use. And then for styling my hair, I only use 3 things. This is my all-time favorite product that I cannot go one day without. This is the Ultra Defining Gel. Pretty sure I've talked about it before, but I prefer gel in my hair because my hair is frizzy and damaged, so it doesn't hold a curl as well as I would like. Like by the end of the day, it's not this defined. It's like I just washed my hair, so it looks like don't know. Looks pretty decent right now. But this is not crunchy at all. It makes your hair feel smooth. It doesn't make it feel all like crusty and nasty. So this is my favorite product. If I had to choose one, this one. 2 pumps of this for each half of my hair. The tiniest bit of coconut oil on both sides because I'm frizzy, like I said. And then I use a super cream. The gel is to define, and then this kind of holds it in place. And I really like using both of them. I used to only use the ultra defining gel, and I just recently started using this product, and I prefer it so much more to use both. I think they work really well together, so I love this stuff. I've never tried a DevaCurl product that I did not like. I do think it's worth the money. If I didn't, I wouldn't buy it. If you have wavy or curly hair, you really should think about trying it. Next thing, I know everyone else is talking about it, but it's so good. Qyk Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. Mine's almost gone. It really sucks because this is also so expensive. This is like maybe my all-time favorite foundation that I've ever tried, and I'm definitely gonna buy it again. Color correcting full coverage cream with anti-aging hydrating serum and SPF 50. I love the way that this applies. The first time I put it on, I was shocked because it feels like a moisturizer. But what I like about it is because I was specifically like looking up a foundation that was medium coverage, because nowadays I'm kind of going for like a more natural, like 15-minute makeup look. So I really love this stuff. And something I really appreciate about it is, well, one, I don't need to wear concealer when I'm wearing this product. I'm not wearing concealer right now. I probably like maybe could use some, but I'm trying to embrace my natural skin more. And sometimes I don't wear like any foundation at all. I just wear like eyebrows and that's it. So that's helping. But basically I just let my dark circles just be there, because I don't like to look drastically different when I wear makeup versus when I don't wear makeup, because I do both a lot. And the other thing, I'm trying to embrace my freckles, which I used to hate, but that my freckles show through, but all of my redness and discoloration does not show through. I really, really love this, and I see myself using this for a really long time. I do think it's worth the money. It really is. It's also kind of dewy. You do have to set it, otherwise it will come off. And when I first started using this, I was kind of struggling to find a powder because I was using the Ben Nye neutral set, which is so heavy. Like, it's a powder. So that didn't really work well with this foundation, and it was separating at first, and I was like, everyone is raving about this, so I must be doing something wrong. So now I'm just using the, what is it, NYX HD. So this is really like, this powder is really good too. So yeah, they work really well together, and my face looks good 10 hours later. So the next thing, this is also going along with me trying to have a more natural makeup look. Ah! I really like this. I kind of just impulse bought this, honestly. So what it is, it's the NUDESTIX Eyebrow Stylus Pencil and Gel. You cannot see the name because it's black and so is the packaging. But I bought this at Urban Outfitters. Leave me alone. Tried it and loved it. This is like, don't quote me, it's like it's less than $25, but that's amazing because I was paying, what is it, 23 something dollars. I was using the Anastasia, what's it called, the Brow Wiz. I was using the Brow Wiz. I really liked that, but since I used it to fill in my entire eyebrow, it kind of took a long time because that thing is so thin, which I liked about it, but I'd be like filling in and filling in and filling in. About 3 weeks later, after I bought that brow pencil, went to twist it to get some more, and it was gone. So that product is really expensive. It runs out so fast. So I bought this, and it's 2-in-1. The one side is like that slanted, kind of thick pencil. So it's not particularly precise, but it covers a lot of ground really quickly, and it's precise enough for me to like line the bottom without having to like go back and conceal. The other side is like a tiny little gel. This gel is so good, and I have tried the Boy Brow. It's comparable. I think this makes my eyebrows like a little bit more stiff than the Boy Brow, but I don't care. Like, people aren't like touching my eyebrows and being like, oh, they're stiff. I brush them up and they stay in place all day because it dries. So I really love this. It's a good value for your money because you only have to buy one product. It's really good, and it takes me like probably 3 minutes to do my eyebrows, and I don't really have to clean them up. I just like wipe away. Sometimes I get gel like on my face, so I just wipe it away with a Q-tip. Love this. I need to buy a new one soon. I've had this for a few months, and it hasn't run out yet, and I have way more left. Very impressed. I really like this. The last thing, which I know I have talked about before because I've been loving this product for a really long time, and I'm so loyal to this product, and I can't even count the number of times I've repurchased it, is Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof. My friend recommended this to me a very long time ago, and I haven't felt the need to try another mascara since because I love this so much. I'm wearing like lashes right now. Like, I've been doing like DIY lash extensions, which is going to be the next video that I film. I don't need to redo them right now, but next time that I do, I'm going to record it because it also changed my life. But anyway, so I'm not like using this mascara actively right now because of my lashes, just using it on the bottom. It makes them so long, so thick, like noticeable. And for me, the main problem that I have is that my eyelashes do not hold a curl, and they are long, but what's the point when they're like this? You can't even see them. I heat up my eyelash curler with a lighter, curl my lashes, do this immediately after, and it stays curled all day, and I love it so much. Like, thank you. It also doesn't like smudge, which I hate because it's waterproof. The only thing that's like a, you know, like a love-hate is waterproof mascara sucks to take off, but it's worth it. I use micellar water, so like it's not that big of a deal, but it's just like annoying to me that it stays on there. But that's also why I like it, because it stays on there, so like it's fine. Another thing I heard, what's that mascara called? It's supposedly a dupe for this, like a drugstore dupe. Hold on, let me look it up. L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That's what it is. This is supposedly a dupe, and I like heard so much about it. Tried this mascara, hated it. I hated it. Like, I wanted to return it. I don't know. The brush, first of all, huge. It's huge. Like, I don't understand how you could put it on because it's that big. It didn't make my lashes longer. It was hella clumpy. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, if you dislike that mascara, that doesn't mean that you're gonna dislike this mascara, even though it's like a dupe, because I hate that mascara and I love this one. Those are my favorite things. I really hope that if you haven't tried any of these, that you do. I wouldn't recommend them to you if I didn't love them. Just go for it. Like, try new things, be adventurous, mix it up, you know, like go out of your comfort zone. Just like fucking do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know, one, if you tried any of these products, what you think about them, because I'm interested to know if anyone like dislikes any of these things. I'm really interested to know. And two, if you have any recommendations for anything similar, because I'm open, you know. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I make lots of vlogs and I think I'm like pretty funny. So so it would like really mean a lot to me if you would like check out my other videos. I will see you in my DIY eyelashes tutorial very soon. Love you guys. Bye.